Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube app. Let's launch YouTube and let me show you how easy it is. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner on your profile. Then you want to head to the top right corner and you want to click on the gear icon. When you're at settings, you want to click on general. When you're at general, you will see that there is an option over here which is restricted mode and it's on currently. All you gotta do is to click on this one and now it will be off. For those of you not familiar with restricted mode simply hides particular type of videos that are detected or that are evaluated from the algorithm that might not be good fit for you. Might be something that is against guidance, videos that YouTube hasn't removed but it's about to be removed, right? So all the type of content that usually is very risky, is not categorized as a good content for the platform, but it's not yet removed, will be hidden. But this is not 100%. For sure, this is what they're actually saying. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, meaning that they might hide videos that are not problematic, that are not mature. But if you have this restricted mode on, you're not gonna see them. So you might be missing out on good content that might be mismarked as a mature content. This is my takeaway. This is why I'm keeping the restricted mode off, because I want to see each and every video that I'm interested in, and I will be the one making the final decision, is the video good or bad. But this is how you turn on and off restricted mode on YouTube app. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.